Kia ora koutou. Welcome to part 3 in the video series about the Kupu Ka tahi. This one is about using Kātahi te. Kātahi te is another example of a lexical chunk. We use Kātahi te to say something about the quality of a thing or a person, and it's usually used with a tūāhua that describes the quality of that thing. It doesn't necessarily have to be a positive quality either. Here's some examples of some nice and not so nice qualities. Paki, hoha, makariri, pai, reka, and so on. Here's the translations. Pause the video if you would like to take a screenshot or write these down, or visit the Tukua Te Reo website to download your own copy. Here's how the sentence works. We start off with Kātahi te at the start of the sentence, followed by the thing that is being described, which in this example is a dog, and then the word that has been used to describe the quality of that thing. In this example, I've used Kātahi te kurī pai to say, what a good dog. Here's a few more examples of this structure. I've left the sentence structure at the top of the page, just for our reference point. The ones on the left are the positive qualities, and the ones on the right are the not so nice qualities, just to show you how this type of sentence can be used to describe good and bad. I've also added the translations here to show you what the sentences mean. Feel free to take a screenshot or write these down. Here's a couple of little variations of the sentence structure. Kātahi rawa te and kātahi anō te. They all mean pretty much the same thing, and it's really up to you how you use them. So that's Kātahi te. Have a go at using the sentence structure the next time you want to describe the quality of something or someone. Kātahi te hui roa. What a long meeting. Kātahi te kai reka. What a delicious meal. Please drop me a comment and let me know how you get on. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Kia ora.